In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new style, and specifically this is useful for the dissertation template because if you're taking inline notes, and by inline notes I mean notes to yourself like check for this citation from Klein's, or notes you're making to yourself to check into some formatting issues or whatever. If you are using inline notes in your document, it's good to define a new formatting style and apply that to all of your notes. When you do that, it has some advantages that I'll explain maybe in some other tutorials, but for now I'm going to show you how to create that new style and how to put it in your quick style gallery. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to just some text that I have in this document, and I'm going to select any text at all, and I'm going to format it the way that I want to have my note style formatted. So I've highlighted this text, and you can highlight it or you can change the color of the font. You can make it bold or italic or underline it. I like just to shade it color of light yellow. So that's all the formatting that I'm going to apply to my style. And now, with it still selected, still highlighted, I'm going to right click on the text, come down, I'm going to come down to the bottom of this context sensitive menu to where it says styles, and then I'm going to select save selection as a new quick style. That brings up this window, create new style from formatting. I'm going to name it note, and I'm not going to hit OK. I'm going to select modify, and for style type I'm going to select character. Then I'm going to click on the radio button for new documents based on this template. And what this does is when you close out of Word, when you close this document down, it'll ask you, like it always does, if you want to save the changes you've made. But then it will ask you, another window will come up after that asking you if you want to save changes to the template. And if you want these changes to be made permanently in the template so that whenever you start a new document based on this template, it has this style in it, then you hit yes. I want this style to be applied to all of my documents. This is the style I'm going to use for notes. So I've selected new documents based on this template, and I hit OK. Now you'll notice that the style will show up in the quick style gallery. And whenever I make a note, all I have to do is select the note and then apply the style by clicking on it from the gallery. So that's all there is to it. Just one more thing I want to show you, and that is that when you go through your document and you're taking care of your notes and you're deleting them, you want to make sure that you don't have any notes left before you print out a final copy. One way you can make sure of that, if you know that you've always applied this style to your notes, is come up to the quick style gallery, right click, and it will say select all to instances. Now if you don't have any more notes in your document, it won't give you this option. So then you'll know that you don't have any more notes to take care of before you print out. So that's one good thing. And in the next tutorial, I'll show you a couple more things you can do with this.